Hi, this is Jonathan Johnson here today again. Today we're going to be doing with Packet Tracer, exploring the Cisco iOS CLI. The objectives are: use the Cisco iOS CLI context sensitive help feature, explore command shortcuts, learn about error detection features, and use command history. The background preparation: the Cisco iOS CLI includes many features that help in recalling commands and getting information about command use and function. In this video, we will go over and explore some of these features and perhaps discover why network technicians prefer the Cisco iOS CLI. So the step one is going to be to connect to the customer Cisco 1841 router. So we're going to click on the PC, we're going to go into the terminal, and we're going to show this. We're just going to click OK. We're going to go enter. It's going to pull us up, and we're just going to type in a few things here. First off, we're going to type in a question mark to pull the executive commands up. This is what commands do. Numbers 1 to 99. Session number to resume and connect is open a terminal connection. Disable, turn off privileged commands. Disconnect an existing network connection. Enable is turn on privileged commands. Exit is exit from the exec mode. Log out also is exit from the exec mode. Ping, send echo messages, which basically just makes sure things are connected and working properly. Resume an active network connection. Show is show running system information. SSH, open a secure shell client connection. Telnet, open a telnet connection. Terminal, set terminal line perimeters. To trace route to destination, like trace a file to a certain destination or a packet. Now that we typed in that, we're going to type in E, which is enable. So then you see a command that starts with an EN, which is enable. So you don't have to type in enable. You just type in EN. No, so you can type in enable and it'll go through, or you can just put EN and it goes through. Either way, and then see it changes to customer router, indicating that you are in privileged exec mode. And then we're going to explore Cisco iOS command shortcuts. So now if you type letters that are unique to a command and then press the tab key, the CLI automatically spells out the complete command. So we're going to type C, and then we're going to at the customer route, and then we're going to press the tab key. So tab, because itself it is not unique to just one command. Nothing happens. Now we're going to add ONF after it. So we're going to go C space ONF tab. Nothing happens. It's because I put a space in there. So if you just go C, well, pull a new one up. So let's go CONF, which is conf T. So configure terminal. So it comes up configure. Now we see that because this sequence of letters is unique to configure command, the CLI automatically completes the command entry. But now we're going to type question mark after configure. Nothing happens. It lists, well, wait. There we go. Now a list comes up of parameters and options for the configure command are displayed. The CR at the end of the output indicates that there are no other parameters that can be added to the configure command in this mode. In this mode, in this example, the CLI shows that you can use terminal with the configure command. Configure terminal. Now we're going to explore error detection features. So at the customer router number, alright, we're going to type in CON and then press enter. Incomplete command. The output %ambiguous command, incomplete command, indicates that this is an incomplete command. At the router command prompt, we're going to enter configure terminal. So we're going to type in configure TRMINAL for terminal, and then we're going to press enter. And it says invalid detection again. So we're going to be sure to enter the command with the spelling error. The Cisco IOS CLI does not recognize the command. It indicates an error with the marker. The up arrow is the failure of a command that didn't work right here. Well, that right there means this command right here was a fail because it was spelled improperly. So now we're going to recall previously typed commands. So previously used commands are stored in a history buffer. To recall the last command entered, we're going to press Control P. So let's go Control P. That's our last command we entered, as configure terminal spelled incorrectly. The command appears at the router command prompt. So we're going to scroll back through the commands in the history buffer by repeatedly pressing Control P, and then press Control N to cycle forward through the history buffer. The up and down arrow keys can also be used to recall commands from the history buffer. So we're just going to go Control P repeatedly, and there's our commands. There's a lot of them. You can also use the up and down keys. See, up and down from configure to terminal. To view the last 10 commands entered, we're going to enter the show history command. Show history command. So, we're just going to go reflection, enter. Oh wait, whoops. List 2 Cisco IOS CLI commands that are available from the customer route number prompt, but that are not available from the customer router prompt. So we're just going to go enable. Okay, now our customer router configure terminal. We're going to go okay, nothing. Now we're going to go disable, and now we're let's go enable to go here, and then go disable. Okay. So we're going to go back. Alright. Now we're back to a customer router with the arrow. The arrow indicates that we are out of exec mode, so we now no longer can make changes to configure terminals unless we go back into enable, and then we go conf t, and then it goes to here, and you can go all kinds of things. You can go show run. You can do all kinds of stuff. You know, there's all kinds of different commands. Let's pull the commands back up. Actually, let's go. And that's pretty much all I have for you today. That's basically the basic commands on the terminals of Telnet and all kinds of things. Thank you. That's what I have for today. Have a good day.